So hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. So guys, I got today two Saviour Valkyries from Flame. So guys, I have already made a video on Saviour Valkyrie. So this video I'm just doing to show you that how Saviour Valkyrie from Flame looks with the actual box. And that's the reason why we bought this thing, and that's why we are here. But that's not the only reason why we are doing this video. We are doing this video because I bought this from one of the Indian sellers on Amazon. They go by name Beau Stuti. So guys, this bay is available at $7.99 on Amazon, and I paid $7.99 for a bay and 80 rupees was the shipping fee. So the total cost I paid for one bay is 880 rupees. So roughly around $12 I guess. So yes guys, this Saviour Valkyrie cost 880 rupees according to me, and I would say that is pretty affordable because last time I bought the Saviour Valkyrie from Flipkart from the seller name Ancient Cart, and that Saviour Valkyrie costed me 999 rupees guys, and there was no box, there was no launcher, nothing else. So I would say this is a pretty sweet deal, and now we are getting some affordable DB base. So guys, I would say instead of going after Guilty Vanish in Flipkart, you should go for these kind of base. So guys, I am not promoting Beau Stuti. I am not getting any money or something from them. I am just simply saying that this worth your money more than what is listed on Flipkart on another websites. For 880 rupees you get a Beyblade and you get a launcher too. So guys, instead of wasting money on Vanish, Guilty and all the other blades out there, go for the Saviour Valkyrie on Amazon and get a launcher as well. So that is the only reason why I'm making this video, because of this affordability. So the only reason to make this video was guys to make you aware that spending 1000 rupees on the base without launcher and box on Flipkart is not worth it. Instead of it, you can go for this 880 rupees and you can maybe save your money. So that's what I am trying to say guys. So guys, rest of the things we'll discuss later. So let me open one of these boxes and let me show you what it contains. Okay guys, let me open the box. So we get our Beyblade inside. What else? We get a DB launcher inside as well. What else? Okay, we get Beyblade stickers, which actually I don't care about. What else is there? Okay, we get a message too, so I'm gonna read it honestly. Thank you so much for shopping with us. We are a small community working to produce superior quality material. Happy with your order. Thank you for again being part of the family. So guys, I'm gonna read it later. I'm gonna read it full. This is a pretty great gesture, honestly saying. And I guess guys, seller gave the email ID as well. So I'm definitely gonna mail them to get them to connect and to understand like what are their future plans and stuff. But I got a really good feeling about this one guys. They are making this thing available at 880 rupees, and that is super amazing. And maybe guys, I got charged 80 rupees delivery. You'll not be charged any delivery fee, so it will be just 800 rupees for you. So guys, let me keep this documentation away. So here is our Saviour Valkyrie. Let me open it guys. So guys, that was most of the unboxing of the bay. So this is pretty much we get. So here we have a Valkyrie DB core, Saviour blade, we got the armor here, and then we got this short driver. And guys, this is the disc and driver combined. So guys, like this driver goes in, and when somebody attacks it, it comes out and becomes a pure attack type. So guys, I'm not gonna explain a lot about this bay because I already made a video on it. So I'll put the video in card section so that you could go and watch that particular video. Okay guys, so that was pretty much the unboxing. I'm not gonna apply the stickers. And guys, this is the only reason why this bay is worth it, because of this particular alloy launcher. It's pretty good launcher. I mean, I won't compare it to Takara or something, but for the price, you cannot complain guys. So guys, for the 800 rupees, you are getting a Beyblade and the launcher. And trust me, this launcher alone is worth 800 rupees. So practically you are getting the Beyblade free according to me. So guys, I think the cost of this launcher would be easily 700-800 rupees. And obviously guys, it's not a very pleasant launcher. I'll be making separate video on these flame launchers. So make sure to stay tuned for that. So guys, this is all the stuff you get in the box. So that's what we unbox, and trust me, for 800 rupees this launcher is worth it. So guys, if you want a DB Beyblade and a launcher with it, you should get Saviour Valkyrie from Amazon from Beau Stuti. They are a pretty amazing seller, and if this video gets to Beau Stuti, thank you for doing it. Please keep doing it, and I am really expecting them to bring out the rest of the DB stuff at the same affordable price, so that it would be affordable for Indian audience and we can also enjoy the DB. So guys, that was the intention of the video, to give you the message so that you could avoid buying random DB base from Flipkart or somewhere else, and you can save your money. So you could settle for this, I guess. And before you buy Vanish or Guilty from Flame, from Ancient Card, from Flipkart, maybe Beau Stuti will bring those two as well. So those would be very affordable. Now guys, talking about these two products. So on a personal note, I have tested this launcher. It works okay. So if you don't have any alloy launcher, you can go for this one. This is pretty good launcher. But don't expect this to be equal to Takara or something. But guys, this is usable, that I can say, and it is worth your money. And guys, same goes for this Beyblade as well. I have a Saviour Valkyrie Flame from a very long time, and I have used my Saviour Valkyrie from Flame. So it is a pretty good bay. It is pretty good to have. And maybe in the beginning your driver won't come out, but as soon as you play, springs will get loose and it will start to come out, and it will get activated after a few battles. So if your driver doesn't activate in first few battles, don't worry, later it's gonna work. So guys, it's time to bring out the stadium and to do a test spin for this particular guy. So guys, I got my stadium here. So I'm not gonna use the stadium cover because we're gonna do just one basic launch. So I don't think so it needs that. So guys, let me set up the bay. And as you can see, that launcher is in right position. So it's pretty good, I guess. So here we go. And pretty good launch. So I would say the power of the launcher is not as good as Takara's, but it's okay according to me. And the Beyblade also seems pretty amazing. So guys, since we are not doing any battles, obviously Sword Driver will not get activated, and that's why it's in stamina mode. So that's pretty amazing, guys. So guys, that was pretty much it for today. I just wanted to share with you to save your money and spend on something which is worth your money. So for 800 rupees, I would say this is pretty good deal. So guys, do not spend on 1000 rupees on a fake. Even if you do want to spend 1000 on Flame, I would say this should be a better alternative. At least it is a value for money product. So guys, I am feeling very happy to share this with you. But you let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this product? So guys, personally, I think this is value for money. So guys, as you can see that we have got two of these and we have unboxed just one of them. So this one is still a new packing, so I am keeping it to give it away. So guys, obviously our giveaway is coming soon for this particular bay, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like this video. So guys, that's it for today. Let me know your thoughts in comment section, and I am gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.